Are you looking for a delicious way to meet your protein goals without relying heavily on carbohydrates? Well, today we're making a colorful, high-protein poached chicken salad with crisp edamame and zesty zucchini noodles to result in a creamy homemade Honey-Dijon Yogurt Dressing. To get started, pour 3 cups of chicken stock into a saucepan to create a flavorful base for our chicken breast. Next, add 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 bay leaves for a little aroma. Season with 1 tablespoon of salt and ½ teaspoon of black pepper. Now, give the stock a quick stir. Next, gently drop in 2 boneless chicken breasts to start the poaching process. Turn the burner to medium and wait for those first small bubbles to appear as we bring the stock to a soft boil. As soon as it hits a boil, turn the heat down to maintain a temperature between 175 and 180 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. Check that the chicken has reached an internal temperature of 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove the chicken and let it rest for 5 minutes before slicing. With the chicken slice, set it aside for a moment so we can whip up our creamy Honey-Dijon Yogurt Dressing. In a mixing bowl, let's combine 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of honey for a little sweetness, 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar for a little acidity. For a little tang, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon. Then use a garlic press to mince 1 clove of garlic. Finally, season with salt and pepper to taste. Give it a thorough mix and store it in an airtight container and let it chill in the fridge for at least an hour to let those flavors really develop. Time for the assembly. Grab zucchinis and let's turn them into a fresh, crunchy noodles using a spiralizer. Don't be afraid to get creative here. Feel free to toss in whatever fresh veggies you have on hand. Arrange the zoodles on the plate and nestle those chicken slices right on top. Next, let's layer in those flavors with sun-dried tomatoes for a savory punch and a handful of edamame to pack in more protein. Let's slice up some radish for a little extra kick and an extra crunch. It's the perfect contrast to our creamy dressing. For some heart healthy fats, we're topping this off with some toasted walnuts. And finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds for the perfect look and taste. And there you have it. A quick healthy lunch that's also perfect for meal prep, whether you're heading to the office, school, or a weekend picnic. It's delicious high-protein meal that'll keep you energized and satisfied for hours. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for more quick, easy, and delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!